The cat's like, so my old cat used to do this, where like, it refuses to like drink water from the bowl, but put a glass of water, your own glass of water, like in a cup, and it's like, heck yeah, give that to me. Heck yeah, give that to me. Indeed. Some Pikachu cookies. Hi. Pikachu cookies. Na. Pick camera. Pick camera. Pick camera. Haha. Mood. Nah, I'm a cow. Moo. Which is funny because cows don't go moo, they go murr. The best Yu-Gi-Oh player. Master Blader. Wait a second. I was like, what the heck is that noise? I keep getting bamboozled by a crow. Like, there's a crow out there that's like, and I keep thinking it's a person just going I'm like, what kind of weird being is out there going but it's a bird. It's a crow. I don't know if you can hear it. It's like I thought it was like some weird child, but it's not. I really want to turn. I can hear it right now. I was so confused.